Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a partition on your Windows or create a new drive on your Windows. So if you want to create a new drive to save your new files, new folders into that new drive, then there's no worry for that. Let's go quick into the process. Make a right click at the start button and select File Explorer. Now click on this PC in the list of options in the left pane. So I have only two drives in my Windows. I have the Windows C drive and my Google E drive. Now I want to create a new drive. So how can I do that? Or a new partition? Make a right click on this PC and select Show More Options. Click on Manage. The computer management window will appear. Maximize this. Then here you have to select Disk Management in the list of options on the left pane. And here I can find my Windows C drive and my Google E drive. Also, they help the recovery partitions. Now, in order to create a new partition, we are going to do that for the drive which has the higher capacity, and that is the Windows C drive. Make a right click on your Windows C drive and then select Shrink Volume. Querying Shrink Space, so let's just wait in a while. Now here you have to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So we're going to type here 10,000 because 10 gigabytes, that is around 10,000 MB. But this could be any size, any amount that you want to shrink in MB, the amount of space. So I'm just going to put here 10,000 because I want to I want a space that is 10 gigabytes, which is around 10,000 MB. Click on shrink. And now we have created a 9.77 gigabytes unallocated space. And out of this unallocated space, we are going to create a new partition or a new drive. Make a right click and then select New Simple Volume. Click on Next to continue. Do not make any changes from here. Click on Next. Now you need to assign the following drive letters. So you can simply click on this drop down arrow and choose the drive letter that you want. So I'm just going to go with letter Q. And then click on Next. File system, that should be NTFS. Allocation unit size, that should be by default. Volume label, you can simply change this. So say for example, it is a fixed guides. Do not forget to check perform a quick format. Click on Next. Click on Finish. And now we have created a new partition or a new drive, which is the fixed guides Q drive. Now, if I close the disk management, I have here in my Windows C drive the new partition or the new drive, which is the fixed guides Q drive. So that's it. That's how you can easily create a new drive or a new partition on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.